Hello everyone. So today we are going to start the introduction to the numbers. The and this is the first chapter of your number system. So the topic is number system, and in this number system, the first type we can say is the introduction to numbers. In this introduction to numbers, we are going to understand how the numbers are there, how many types of number are there, and uh, what are their definitions. The first one is the natural numbers, and when we count the number from 1 2 3 up to the last number, that is the infinity, so all the numbers we can consider it as natural numbers. Okay, so now moving further, the whole numbers, the second type of number. Whole number includes all the natural numbers, means we can say all the natural numbers are whole numbers. Why it is so? Because in the series of a natural number up to infinity, if we add 0 in this series, the complete series is known as the whole number. The start from 0. Okay, so we can say all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. We need to keep that in mind. The third type is important to know. What are the integers? Now integers, who are the integers? The all counting numbers. All counting numbers, we can say the integers. They are positive, they are negative, or they are neutral as well. Okay, they are neutral as well, so they are integers. Now I don't think we need to understand the even and the odd number. So we are moving further. Prime number, this is the most important one. One of the kind of introduction to the numbers is the prime number. So prime numbers are only divisible by 1 and itself. Just for example, if I take example of 4, 4 can be divisible by 1, yes. 4 can be divisible by itself, yes. But apart from 1 and itself, 4 can be divisible by 2 also. Means it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 2. So 4 is not a prime number, because the number should be only divisible by 1 in itself. Okay, like, and it starts from 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, 11, okay, up to infinity. So all the numbers which are divisible by 1 in itself is called as the prime numbers. Okay, now we can say prime numbers are integers. Yes, we can say prime numbers are integers. Can we say prime numbers are natural number? Yes, we can say prime numbers, all prime numbers are natural numbers. Can we say all prime numbers are whole numbers? Then yes, correct, all prime numbers are whole numbers. But you cannot say all natural numbers are prime numbers or all whole numbers are prime numbers. But all prime numbers are natural and whole and the integers. Okay, now moving to the next one, that is the composite number. Okay, who are the composite numbers? The number having more than two factors, means we are not, if we are not going taken more technically, we can say, so those who are not prime, those who are not prime, they are composite. They are composite. Okay, and composite number are always greater than 1. They are always greater than, composite numbers are always greater than 1. So our definition can be a number which is greater than 1, a number which is greater than 1, but not prime, so this is the definition of a composite number. Now from where it is going to start? It cannot be start from 1, because the definition says the number which is greater than 1. Okay, so 2 is a prime number, and the composite number are not a prime number. So we can say it is starting from 4, after that 6, then 8, 9, 10, up to infinity. Again, in the case of composite number, we can say all composite numbers are natural numbers, all composite numbers are whole numbers, but we cannot say all natural and whole numbers are composite numbers. Alright, now talking about the most important number is the rational number. And the definition of rational number is always say, when the number is present in the form of p by q, these numbers can be called as rational number. This is the representation of a number. When number represent itself in a p by q form, where q is not equals to 0, these number are rational number. But let me give you example, and that example will give you the clarity. Because Please make sure rational number could be positive, they could be neutral, and they could be negative. So and so -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these numbers are also called as the rational number, because if there is nothing in the denominator, there will always be 1 in the denominator, and we know that. Okay, so -3 by 2 or 7 or +7 or the -7 we can say, okay, or the 0, they are all natural numbers, rational numbers. Okay, all right. So all integers, we can say all natural numbers are rational numbers. Yes, all natural number are rational number. All whole numbers are rational numbers. Whole numbers are rational number. Yes, or all rational numbers cannot be whole and the natural, but you can say all natural number are rational, all whole numbers are rational. Okay, all integers are also rational. So now moving further, the irrational number. See, in very simple language we can say those who are not those who are not rational, they are irrational. They are irrational, friends. Please keep that in mind. Okay, so the non-terminating and the non-repeating decimals are irrational. Okay, like we can say 22 by 7 and 3.14. So 3.14 is a rational. I just forgot to mention, if I say zero point 0.2, zero point 0.2 is also a rational, not irrational. But if I put a bar, okay, then it is converting into the irrational. So 22 by 7, 3.14, they are rational number. But if you take the value of this 22 by 7 or 3.14 is a pi, then pi would be irrational one. Please make sure that. Okay, the all root numbers are also irrational. Please keep that in mind. So the last types of numbers we are going to take is the real number, and this is the last one definition. So it includes both rational and irrational number, and all the numbers on the number line are called as real numbers. In short, if I give you the diagram, that diagram will make you give you the clarity. See, universal classification of numbers. So all numbers are real numbers. Now these all real numbers, okay, are classified into two. The one is irrational and another are rational number. Okay, rational number considers all negative, positive, neutral, p by q form, okay, or the decimal form. If I say 3.14, all are the rational number. Apart from those who are not rational, they are irrational, means under root kind of things or the pi, they are irrational. Now under this rational number, we can find the other numbers as well. Suppose if I, for this rational number, if I put some limitations, I can consider here that integers means the negative, the positive, and the 0. Again, inside integers, I can say few are all are the whole numbers. Under these whole numbers, if you remove 0, 1 2 3 up to infinity, okay, if you remove 0, you will get all are the natural number. Under this natural number, we can again make a two parts. Prime numbers are differentiated and composite number are differentiated. So this is how, this is the universal classification number can be shown. So thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.